control. This is some kind of greenhouse. Look at this. This is amazing. Look at this.
They got a web browser. Let's browse the internet. You ready? Emil, when you use APK Pure a lot here. You know that site where you can get APKs that's modded?
Friendship Park. That should look good. Look at my skin, man. I look good in this type of light.
I have a question.
This for Candace. You know I have two sisters, right?
Look at that story.
Who's a
They
can?
claws everywhere, dude. I thought they had like 4 claws in the front. They got claws everywhere. He's scared. He's scared. Shoot.
Candace, come on, don't be scared.
These things probably been here since.
So, in the aquarium parts of the Unity Park or Friendship Park.
And we will go to the HQ.
Hi.
HQ is the right hand place.
Oh, it sounds gay.
I'm just kidding.
Headquarters?
Headquarters.
Hindquarters. No, they do shit. One of the most conservative countries in Africa.
I ain't gonna lie.
It's like Jamaica. Can Muslims eat
What she got?
I can't tell.
two over here?
Park, Friendship Park. Come on, let me show you. So, we got cheetahs, the fastest animal in the world.
Well, no, technically, I think that goes to the cockroach.
What did you
It's
say?
the fastest mammal, though.
The fastest animal, the fastest mammal.
Mammal, yeah.
Okay, the fastest cat in the world.
Well, it's actually second fastest mammal.
Yeah. So yeah.
That's good. Yeah.
And action. Okay, so back at it again. This time we have a white lion. Not much to say about it other than you don't want to follow her into the pit with it.
I don't care if it's a boy or girl. I'm calling it Kimba. It's Kimba, the white lion.
So we got Kimba, the white lion. Not very ferocious, as you can see, but don't tempt it. Kind of like the girl behind the camera.
Yeah.
But let's continue.
Okay. You look like me. Oh.
Yeah, so we have the banana eaters over here. You know.
Are they shy?
I know some people want wigs to be made of those. Like, they would pay good money for a wig.
Okay, talk
That's the
this one.
king.
This one.
That's the king. He got the hair. Yeah.
Okay.
He gonna get Ja to just
Look,
think about it.
look, me and her, we can start a business, a wig business. You know, we can go out and hunt these monkeys, make some good money. Some De Niro,
And some good meat
some
too.
beer, some cheese, fettuccine.
Make injera from like tips from monkey tips.
That's what we'll do. We got the giraffes over there. Damn, that enclosure so small though.
Why you say that?
Go and see something because you didn't go anywhere, so you tell me that what that pictures mean.
Because. Yep. At Unity Park or Friendship Park, both of them. I don't know. I think, yeah, Unity Park and Friendship Park are both connected. So, you can call it what you will. But we're out here, enjoying life, discovering things. This is Africa. The Africa they don't want you to see. So everything is like together, right? We have the zebras over there. We have the, what are those, gazelles?
Those aren't gazelles.
Not
man.
gazelles, but what do you
I
call
think
it?
those are called what are they called?
I don't know. We'll get back to
Impalas
that.
or something, maybe?
Yeah. And we have the bison right there. Or whatever that is, bison, right?
What about this one?
We have, of course, giraffe.
Catch a name.
We call it Kachane. Call it Kachane.
Kitchener. The all-time favorite Kitchener. The star
And they
of the
taste
show.
delicious. Let me tell you, they had some barbecue with the
Marty,
giant
right?
eggs.
Marty, right?
They're like, whatever, man.
Father, 3 cows. Yeah, and one of those mini cows. How you done? Are you recording or are you taking pictures?
Now I'm recording.
Okay, so look at this view. The view of a beautiful Bole area, right? Bole?
Arakilo.
Arakiro? Arakiro? What that? No. Us. We be. Arakiro.
You don't want to talk like.
Addis Ababa.
Mhm.
Addis Ababa, Pizzeria. Addis Ababa, Arakano City. Very good. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum nama. It is. What I
You
say?
have this and you say salam alaikum.
You know, in our church,
This
Oh, you
is
need a light?
Mininik.
Oh yeah, this is Minik. I don't know what he does. What does he do? What did he do?
He's the king.
King Minik. Okay. What's up, homie?
So if you know about
Yeah,
Mininik,
king.
tell him in the comment.
we
Yeah,
really, we
tell me in
really
the
was
comments.
kings. We really was kings.
So tell me in the comments below
We really was kings. That's what it was.
who that is. So
Exactly.
if you know any.
It is big old fountain. That's a nice fountain. Hey, you know what's cool? That's actually a stork that eats flesh, that eats rotting animals. Did you know that?
Wow.
Yeah. It's not a regular stork. When those animals die, this stork will eat them. Right, Hannah?
What?
When those animals die, this stork will eat them.
Yes.
It's like a giant Windows tablet. Look at that. It's like a Windows tablet. You can do what you want on it. Like a printer. I don't feel like reading.